How to download and install private internet access VPN. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download and install private internet access or VPN on any device that you want. Now, simply head over to your browser, any one that you use, and search for private internet access VPN. Now, once you search it, click on the first link available. And here you'll get this interface on your screen. If you drag your mouse to download VPN, here you can choose any device that you would like to download your VPN for. Now, since I'm downloading on Windows, I'll simply click on Windows VPN. Here, scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and here you can see the option download PIA for 64-bit. Now, since my Windows is 64-bit, I'll simply click on download. And here my internet download manager will ask to start download. Now I'll click on start download and you can see my file has been downloaded. Now I'll simply click on open, and here it'll start to open up and you can see that my installation is completed. If I go to search and search for private internet access, you can see the app is available and I can open it. So this way you can download and install private internet access or VPN on any of your devices that you want. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.